Nana Ansah Sasraku Mamfehene ono ano ye chidom hene Akuapem traditional area. Uguso uguni nyuma pa so. Nenso bibi foforo asan abeto menche bia ya kwesida ye nyina ye hui Mamfe obo gwadata na sukufu a orokokotro won so hwe no afi oye won adoyi na eso ani pa anso ho a enenso wa frɛ sukufu a wo Akuapem ha ede watre on ntaban mu kra de akọ district nkai no ostatifi mampon circuit won so oyiyi schools ni bi obesin call latte circuit ene ekropon na schools ene adoyi eso won so no ebi enamba be bobosu yi dwumade ni course e wo manfi chidom ahemfi wo pe ne schools na won saka eniama ibi eniama ne ye sanitary parts na mathematical sets abeboa won na BC nsohwe okwakocho no won atumi apase enti yehwe kropon aye yenya Salem GHS yenya School for the Blind GHS yenya kropon MA GHS afi yekola latte circuit latte Presby GHS nso bai latte Salvation GHS nso bai latte Anglican latte RC GHS nso bai na latte Methodist nso bai Mampon ohwa Mampon yenya schools abisa Mampon Presby GHS Mampon Anglican GHS na Mampon Methodist GHS tutu nso schools ebien na won niama no wode koma won ewo ho ntina oni ihyiam na ase schools ebien no ne tutu Presby GHS na tutu Methodist GHS amonokrom so yenya amonokrom Presby GHS ahwase nso na ahwase MA GHS enso ewo ho na obusoma ase Methodist GHS won so wode wonde koma won nti schools a ene obehyiam wo chidom ahemfi na woye won sa adroye no woni se schools yenhwese ne anhyiam no kofa na Ansah Sasraku to so ebisa odi niama yima won no otu wonfo na odi nanu disem so etu kwa entie ni anana ekan
education fellowship of say Bece Mamfehene Akuapem and Akuapem Nkruwa schools nila nemu na mama kwaba krubia mufiba eno ahemfre wo no yawe se Bibisa rekoso lero akasa na we back to akasa also heavy the government kekena my sa legislature meeting said the narrative kredebe na mkakoye BC na hekichala kwa nini kwa finance edisa ya tichumiana ya won epase obi sa wa hukakaro ya na ya nti ubo okra the confidence ode kwa koye social no na aira eti celebrity na at least for nothing no some period no just in case Saba now to be CC will be na Akuapem social eti many na fubi inkomo na obre na consideration no chiche ma schools or Mamfehene eti na Ansah na mesa additional back some friends so na yetumi ye wo Mamfe nkona yangadi shewu ruwa kanu so ye nyawo enti na pese odi bibisa eba na at least nyawo no obia enya bibi kakra na woni aye titri mo kwa BC na se pase aye wada akubetu na se the time no and no which way no they say my assets so come exam so there you and you are worried to be told, but there are some of them circumstances Yama will be our assets now fighting the war. I have from Amanda go see John in such a way I am going to me face so and it's what I can say actually I what should say Yamra Yamide Fema teacher for if you see the James as often as possible teaching sanitary parts, no issue, no issue. Well, by Binana Yadi Amana Yamia Wanga Sao, because I'm getting to know this is a won't be Sunny Sadia I won't tea na Emma what fire could be what your Fabia it will do attitude or how is so will be normal scanner said the agents and said we are what you mean after that never grown Emma set up some of these things happening yet can taste in penny na maybe I need to be going forward you know occasionally in the actually
Yes, girls, you are here. What do we say to Nana? Nana, I'm on person. Girls, get up, let's do something. When I say menstruation itself is normal, period. Is that okay? Menstruation is normal. Action, let's do the action. Menstruation is normal. Again, menstruation is normal. Okay, sit down. Menstruation is normal, but sometimes, you know, the effects on us as girls, you know, are numerous. If you have a child, send your pad. Now we use, you know. Epuano manipulating. That's why I'm going to be brave. Part from this is your money. A Kobasa, a mass school promo to make M4 to school. If your mom, I will say menstruation kekeno. A bit to make to school for the whole 5 days of menstruating. It is if a girl menstruates for 5 days, not 5 days, because of a year, any young mobile family or slave for the 5 days are. Young kind the whole year, the number of times Akuapem slave are on go school. Until they be and buy education and perform. Until see some boy say ya, but we say any Biana, who name the Wayama, the girl child. In private brain and pad into young buy because our boyfriend, just because a Sonia pad. Your poetry 3 for chair pads na apalaba for your man a pad na small kind and say this is the first time we won't sapali or you see that. And so such a child who did this so baby echo that like a grandma the 10 cities 20 cities or they don't have more man I'm a winner pad you see until the way so and send now walk and look I say. And yet this is not the first, and this will not be the last. Yes, sir, ready. On to Paso. Nebimbra baby. Nayem Baloso. Yet me say, come on. Menstruation is not a disease. And so there are so many hindrances of menstruation at the back here as girls. It's be the many baby. It's a bit on behalf of my municipal director and their colleagues here. We say a very big thank you to you for this wonderful guest. And we know that we are going to put it in good use and it's going to benefit us all as an individual, as a community, and as a nation. Thank you so much.
Enti na de tugwa se osre ankrankra na obi biara okuapem mu ha enye se oye Mamfehene nkua na wo se obua oye okuapeni na kakra wo nsemu a ne ori ye oye de abo okuapem nyina enti obi biara kakra wo nsemu no bomodin se obabeboa na ne dwuma odi enye ne edi kan ye betwato opese okosoa na oye na eboa mframa no na won suku kono ene won sohwe na wo cho no so no utumi pass.
The official here, a friend. Now, yes, donation is a division. Media were very far. Media outlets they appeal to young Kruma, young Adishi, Ewo, Kruso, Latte, Cropon, Amonocrum, Mampon, Tutu, Busmasi. We say, the white should be rare, 70 people won't say, so what you say, well, they depart, by 100. Individuals, 10, 20, 50, I will me afford to buy about 100 packs. Now, we want to start one call now teachers who somehow solve this problem without any effort. I'm appealing to our citizens, those who have the resource to be able to do it, to support this cause and on their own procure some of these bags and send to the schools that are in their communities or to the municipal directorate to share. And I'm sure this problem will be solved.
You made you query, you know, about you be or JHS now. Or be cabrofu be or no, and we say on be ma vote of thanks na oye sebe visually impaired na mensusu say obetuma ka brofo sa me pese yehwe na enhwa abofra no brofo GHS ni abofra afi no kokocho BC na wo hwe se ne a otutu brofo gu da nanom anim a yenhwe.
So that I bow down to your majesty and say, may your name be healed and may you live long. Nana Ansah Sasraku the third. The divisional chiefs, the South chiefs, Oshiame, that's the language, and starts from the M and the BC, all school representatives here, my students and fellow colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, please, I greet you all humbly. I'm highly humbled to call upon to render the vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. I appreciate and acknowledge all your presence here, and I say God bless you. So, first of all the thanks go to the Almighty God for giving us this opportunity to be here this morning, to be together as one unit this very morning. The second thanks goes to Nana Ansah Sasraku the third. I bow down again to your majesty, saying may you live long and may your name be healed. Nana Ompasi. But sure the air can you say, Yeda was ye hear your man when you now where you're sitting and then Yeda was. We thank you and show gratitude. And as you advised us that BEC is just a normal home, just like the monk in our schools. So, to my colleagues, please, there is no fear in this. Just pray to God, and as Nana is backing us with his spirit, both physically and spiritually, I know you will be victorious throughout the BEC and come out with flying colors that will appreciate we ourselves as the individuals, our teachers, the staff, all the districts here, and Akuapem, the Mother Ghana as a whole. And now we say, God, may God bless you and your descendants for honoring us this memorable gift. May God replenish all the efforts we made to bring us the materials we need. To my fellow people, thank you for the cooperation and listening attentively to the votes of us. To end it all, Nana Ansah Sasraku the third. I bow down once again to your majesty. May you live long. Thank you.
Tida ne ane so ne midnight news yakofa fi Mamfehene chidom ahemfi ede bai ne ha yo fie TV midin ene nanaye